Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance, so that may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards first. So we have Four of Fire, Ace of Water, and King of Air. So with these cards, guys, Taurus, in your circumstances today, it may be in your career situation, or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really what to say, passionate about what you do, and you take up some choices or make some decisions only when you are really interested in doing that, guys. So you never do it for others. You are really honest to your intentions and motives. And maybe today you are making some important choices based on what you like, what you love to do, and simply it may be what is right for you, guys. So you are thinking about what will work for you, or what will be the right thing for you, the right choice for you. And you are someone who is still talented, and you are a hard worker. You have determination in your heart to work towards the right things for yourself, maybe the dreams you have. So you are working towards those dreams and goals, guys. And maybe today you have your heart filled with inspiration. Something inspiring you, and you are having hope for a brighter future, and this inspiration is overwhelming you. Maybe it is the universe way of guiding you today towards some happiness and all those possibilities, whatever you can become, or in your work situation, whatever opportunities or possibilities you are aligning yourself in. So you have that tremendous influence in your heart. You feel guided, and maybe for some of you, your dreams and goals are manifesting. And in this relationship, maybe in your situation, you have this inspiration, confidence, and you are happy for some changes coming in your life today. Maybe it may be in your relationship, that friendship, harmony, and love this person. They love your company, and you are enjoying this day with this person you love. So all things are unfolding for you in the relationship. Relationships are going in a very positive way, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, for your general energy. If you want more clarity for the take your card love reading, that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness. And maybe in the long run, you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident, and courageous. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.